For years, Tesla has talked about one important idea: an electric car that's truly affordable. Not a luxury EV, not a high-performance showcase, but a practical, everyday electric car built for millions of people around the world. That car is widely expected to be called the Tesla Model 2. Welcome back to InfoByte Network. We're taking a calm, professional look at what Tesla Model 2 is expected to offer, from performance and range to battery technology, charging speed, and why this vehicle could be Tesla's most important step yet. Why Tesla Model 2 matters. Tesla has already proven that electric vehicles can be fast, desirable, and profitable, but mass adoption requires something else: affordability. Tesla Model 2 is expected to fill that gap. Instead of targeting premium buyers, this car is designed to reach first-time EV owners, urban drivers, cost-conscious families, global markets beyond North America. Model 2 isn't about replacing existing Teslas, it's about expanding the audience. That's why many analysts believe Model 2 could become Tesla's most impactful vehicle to date. Expected positioning. What kind of car is Model 2? Based on industry expectations and Tesla's strategy, Model 2 is likely to be smaller than Model 3, more affordable than any current Tesla, designed for efficiency and simplicity, optimized for high-volume production. Think of it as a compact electric car built for daily life. This isn't meant to compete with luxury sedans. It's meant to compete with traditional compact cars, only electric. Performance, designed for daily driving. Tesla Model 2 is not expected to focus on extreme performance figures. Instead, Tesla is likely prioritizing smooth electric acceleration, easy city driving, comfortable highway performance. Expected performance outlook: 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 6 to 7 seconds. Single motor configuration, front wheel or rear wheel drive. In everyday terms, Model 2 should feel responsive and confident, especially compared to gasoline-powered compact cars. For most drivers, this level of performance is more than sufficient. Battery strategy: smaller but more efficient. Battery technology is where Tesla Model 2 becomes interesting. Instead of a large, expensive battery pack, Tesla is expected to use a smaller capacity battery, likely based on LFP or next-generation cells, designed for long lifespan and lower cost. A smaller battery offers several advantages: lower vehicle price, reduced weight, faster charging times, improved long-term durability. Tesla's goal here isn't maximum capacity, it's maximum efficiency. Expected range: realistic and practical. Range expectations for Tesla Model 2 are expected to be realistic rather than extreme. Estimated driving range: around 250 to 300 miles, EPA estimate. This range is well suited for daily commuting, city and suburban driving, occasional longer trips. Tesla understands that most drivers travel far less than 300 miles per day. Value consistent, reliable range. Model 2's expected range reflects real-world needs, not marketing headlines. Charging speed, a key advantage. Charging experience may be one of Model 2's strongest points. Thanks to its smaller battery pack, Model 2 is expected to support faster percentage-based charging, shorter charging sessions, full access to Tesla's Supercharger network. Expected charging behavior: roughly 10% to 80% in 20 to 25 minutes under ideal conditions. This makes Model 2 especially practical for apartment dwellers, urban charging, quick top-up stops. In daily use, fast and predictable charging often matters more than absolute range numbers. Platform and manufacturing, built for scale. Tesla Model 2 is not just a new car, it represents a new manufacturing approach. Tesla is expected to use a simplified next-generation platform, fewer physical parts, streamlined assembly processes. Manufacturing techniques may include gigacasting, simplified wiring systems, modular design. These changes help Tesla reduce production costs, increase output, scale globally. This manufacturing efficiency is central to achieving Model 2's target price. Interior and technology: simple but smart. Inside, Tesla Model 2 is expected to remain minimalistic. Likely interior approach:
clean dashboard design, central touchscreen interface, software-driven controls, over-the-air updates. Expected features include Tesla Autopilot, standard or optional, navigation with charging integration, smartphone-based connectivity. Rather than luxury materials, Tesla is focusing on ease of use, software reliability, long-term support. This aligns with Model 2's practical mission. Expected price, why it matters so much. Price is the most discussed aspect of Tesla Model 2. While not officially confirmed, Tesla is widely expected to target around $25,000 before incentives. If achieved, this price point would place Tesla within reach of millions more buyers, compete directly with gasoline compact cars, accelerate global EV adoption. This isn't just a pricing decision, it's a strategic move. What Tesla Model 2 means for the EV market. Tesla Model 2 isn't designed to impress enthusiasts. It's designed to normalize electric driving, reduce cost barriers, expand EV infrastructure usage. For Tesla, Model 2 could increase overall vehicle volume, strengthen its ecosystem, support long-term autonomy goals. This car is about scale, not spectacle. Reality check, what we still don't know. As of now, Tesla has not officially launched Model 2. Final specifications may change. Timeline remains unconfirmed. What we do know is direction. Tesla is clearly moving toward affordable EVs, simplified platforms, global reach. Model 2 fits directly into that direction. Final thought, InfoByte Network summary. Tesla Model 2 may not be flashy, it may not be extreme, but it could be the most important Tesla ever built. With expected strengths in practical performance, realistic range, fast charging, accessible pricing, Model 2 represents a shift from premium innovation to mass market impact. You're watching InfoByte Network, where Tesla updates and EV news are explained clearly and professionally. If this overview helped you understand what Tesla Model 2 could bring, feel free to like the video. And let us know in the comments, would you consider a Tesla Model 2 as your next car? Subscribe to InfoByte Network for calm, reliable coverage of electric vehicles and future mobility.